Next, I would like to welcome Mr. Suresh D. from Madurai. Mr. Suresh D. from Madurai to please come forward. Followed by Miss Sridevi J. from Madurai to please come forward. அடுத்ததாக Miss Sharmila from Tiruvannamalai to please come forward. Followed by Mr. Satha Shiva Subramaniam M. from Tirunelveli to please come forward. அடுத்ததாக Mr. Kumaran P. from Salem D. to kindly come forward. அடுத்ததாக Miss Parvati S. from Tiruchirappalli. Followed by Miss Rajalakshmi R. from Tirunelveli to please come forward. நல்ல ஒரு பலத்தை கைத்தல் கொடுத்துக்கலாம் மக்களே for the